Hello guys, my name is Mikhail. Welcome back to a brand new Sunday session where I kind of go back into the market during the week and find quality trading setups, either on gold and Q. Gold and Q is what I'm trading most of the time. I don't trade gold just cause when gold age gold is happening, I'm at work. 705 guys. I'm at work. But yeah, I like gold. I like the way it moves, especially in Asia. So when I do have the time, I will be doing Asia gold. But yeah, most of the time I'm trading NQ primarily NQ. Okay, just because I like how volatile it is, and also like the way it moves. It's really violent price action. I like that, and I like yeah. It's for me. It depends what you guys like and what kind of fits your work schedule or fits your personality or whatever you see. You kind of resonate with, you know. I guess that's the thing. That's the beauty about trading, guys. It's really personalized. You can really personalize this your strategy or your system to what you like. So, anyways, first things first is I'm gonna go over the Asia's trading session. Asia Gold. So I marked at the 15-minute open, which is 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. My chart's in Eastern Standard Time, but I'm in Australia because it's a bit easier. But yeah, 7 p.m. Sorry, is the Asia Open. So I marked at the 15-minute candle, and if you ever look at the chart, you see we break below the 15-minute open and we retest. When I say retest, we pretty much retouch or we just kind of just come back up and kind of grab it, kind of grab the open. You know, we kind of retest. I would have had my limit just right at this level, and my stop right above the open. That's my habit. What I normally do, I like to put my entries, my stop loss just above the open a little bit, just to give it a little bit of wiggle room, and then I can have my entry, yeah, just right at the open. Because sometimes most of the time I've found that you will get wicked in, and that's like the best feeling when you're not in Jordan at all. Don't like you don't see any red, but we kind of just breaks below. It's the same session. Nope, it's not. Sorry. So it breaks below. We kind of wick up, not wick, but like kind of close in, and then just sit in your hands, take your trade, sit in your hands, and just have it play out. You would have easily taken a 1 to 3 like easily. So that was a pretty good trade. Break below, retest the open, and then boom. If you would have left a runner, in my opinion, like if you live like one contract running, you would have just held it to like this low, and then we kind of just chopped around, not chopped, but like yeah, bounced around, and then yeah, that would have been a great 108. But 1 to 3, that's already a great, like 1 to 3 is already a great risk to reward in itself. It just depends on your strategy, and your win rate as well. I think the break and retest has like a 70, 65 or 70% win rate, which is great, bro. Like, that's a really great win rate, and especially with a 1 to 3, you're making money in the long term. You're green overall. So you gotta trust your strategy and trust yourself and be patient, you know. But yeah, now we're gonna go on the 15 minutes on the London session. So London opened at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this is probably this again. This is probably like I'd say not an A plus break and retest, but a like a B or even a C plus break and retest because we didn't really fully break. But wait, did we break below? Let's drop on the 5 minute. Yeah, we did kind of break below, and then we retested, and you could have even taken an entry off here, like something like this. Even if like something like this. Yeah, this would have been another great setup as well. Cause what I normally do is I normally have my stop loss at the midpoint. That's why I have the dotted line in the middle. Either at the midpoint or at the just above here. Either way, it's giving you a great risk to reward. Yeah. So the reason my targets would have been at this level is because um you might be wondering like why did price come here and bounce up, you know, like that. Well, like I said before, or I don't know if I said it before, but everything in the market happens for a reason. Everything, no, there's nothing random about this. This is all based on something called liquidity, and yeah, so with liquidity, remember liquidity is at the opens, highs, and lows. So that's where price will have a big reaction. This bounce was based off of this London low, Asia low. This is the lowest Asia got in the previous session, but it never came down and tested the level. And when we come down and saw that, we bounced right off it. Boom. You could have taken a buy position, like you could have a limit buy order right here. Boom. And then, wow, like even bro, and even if you like, my analysis would have been, oh, we're gonna come back, we're gonna grab this liquidity and bounce in this next liquidity, which is the London Open, but we never really got there. Um, in the end. So yeah, that would have been a great swing trade to like kind of hold, I guess. But yeah, that's why you can have the target. So when you're trading like a risk, like when you're trading these setups, you want to either have target points or target a next high or low. But yeah, my advice is probably just focus on your reward. Um, so what this pretty much means, this little number here, risk to reward ratio is 3 to 6. Let's just say I'm risking I risk $1 to make 3.6. So that's pretty much it says. I'm risking $1,000 to make $3,600. That's what this pretty much means. Okay, that's what this single trading view pretty much means. But yeah, like I was saying before, gold will have that big move in Asia. So that's kind of why I like gold a little bit. Boom, big move. Boom, big move. Also happened in New York sometimes. But it's been pretty choppy. It hasn't been the best. Oh, boom, big move, big move. That's not right. 1 hour. Yeah, another big move in New York. But yeah, yeah, that's pretty much gold. So it's I want to check gold in Asia a lot more because I'll be finding these setups really consistently on these sessions, and it's like I'm missing out on cash every day, but that's all good. Um, but yeah, this is the VIX, so this is a negative correlation of the S&P 500 or the ES and Q. So you see how we're in a bit of a downtrend, not a downtrend, but like what a no, not a downtrend. It's an uptrend. Clearly like the big uptrend we have going here. But you look at VIX, we're in a downtrend. So this is a negative correlation of ES and NQ, and NQ and ES are positive correlation, so they move exactly similar. That's why it was easy for me to change from NQ to ES, because from ES to NQ, sorry, because of this positive correlation they have here. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Like, remember, it's what everyone should know. They're watching this trading the long term journey with yourself, with the way you view the market, the way you view just things in general. It's not gonna happen in 6 months. It's not gonna happen it might happen in 6 months. Might happen in a year, but you just can't give up because it's getting hard, and you just gotta keep understanding, keep learning. It's like a never-ending thing. You keep learning and learning. But yeah, like I said, like I was saying before, downtrend on if we see like a downtrend on VIX, uptrend on NQ, but we're kind of see up, down, and then it'll be down, up. Yeah, right. But that's pretty much what the what I got for you guys today. I'm gonna keep making videos like this, kind of just documenting like the journey to getting a payout, getting money, getting 10 grand a month. Well, my goal is 10K a month at the moment. And then just build from there, guys. Understanding that it is a long-term thing. It is not just a get rich quick in the next week or two. Get rich quick, get a payout the next month. Get this next month. No, it's a constant learning journey, and like developing an eye for the market. But yeah, I just want to show you this quickly before I head off. So I'm not too sure if you guys also know what Forex is actually. Forex is pretty much where you get see all the major news events. Red Folder News is pretty much days you want to avoid trading because price is always going to chop around. Is what I've noticed. I've tried trading on Red Folder News, and and just chop, bro. So you're not gonna get anything. So try avoiding trading on Redfall on new days. But what day was this? This is it, Monday. I think on Monday we had those Trump was space. Yeah, boom. We had Redfall on news PMI. So the 23rd. Yeah, boom. Trump's what was it? What was this? Is that 12 p.m. This could have been actually related. That could be the Trump. That could be one of the sell-off. And gold and oil are just very important. I'd say to keep an eye out. Because what happens is when there's war, people panic sell. I remember when I can't remember. I think it was Iran. They last year September. I forgot what it was, but we just had a big sell-off because someone bombed another country. I'm not gonna. I can't remember who exactly, but it was in September, October last year sometime. Um, and it was crazy because the charts were just cause everyone was selling off down, down, down. I think it was Iran, Iraq. Iran. Oh yeah, it's definitely Iran. What happened? What happened? Yeah, I think it was. Yeah, Iran. Yeah, Iran bombed. Yeah, this one. I ran. I think they bombed or something bombed or some shit to Israel, and we just had a massive sell-off. And ES and Q, it was just bearish candles, and that's what happens when what happens, guys. People panic sell. They put their money into gold, oil, shit like this. Um, yeah, but it's doing the opposite right now. Like the money's going, the stocks are going up. But yeah, that's my piece for today. If you have any questions, do drop them below. But yeah, I'll let you guys go now. You guys have a lovely rest of your day, and take care. See you in the next one. Peace.